glorious sunny day at Adventure Bay.
What a perfect day to fly kites, puppies! But suddenly the wind starts to get stronger.
Oh no! My kite!
The kite flies further and further away.
That kite is in danger.
Oh no! It's stuck in a very dangerous position. Please help me get it back.
Ryder calls PAW Patrol for help. PAW Patrol, come to Command Center immediately.
The dogs are ready for the mission.
I'm ready!
This dog will fly to the sky.
The kite is stuck near the cliff. We have to be very careful.
Chase is in action. Chase leads the way.
The kite is too high.
This is a tough spot. Rubble is doing it right now. Marshall tries, but can't reach. Oh no! I can't reach!
It's Skye's time to act.
Let's fly!
But the wind makes things even harder. Whoa! The wind is so strong.
We got it! I got the kite!
Teamwork saved the day.
The kite is safe again! Thank you, PAW Patrol!
Whenever you get into trouble, nothing is too big, no dog is too small!
PAW Patrol is always ready.
At Adventure Bay, a new day begins with joy.
Oh no! Where's my robot? PAW Patrol, help me please!
No job is too big, no pup is too small. I smell something. This way.
Let's take to the sky!
Rubble on the double! Don't lose it, reuse it! Let's dive in! All right, team, let's move into the forest!
Ryder needs us.
I found it!
Bringing it down now! Easy does it!
I got it. Great job, Rubble.
Yay!
Thank you, PAW Patrol.
Another mission complete!
PAW Patrol is always ready to help everyone.